Reduce uric acid with these 12 foods. Uric acid is a substance your body creates when it breaks down certain chemicals called purines. These chemicals are present in specific foods and your body's cells. Most of the uric acid your body generates dissolves in your blood and is removed by your kidneys through your urine. However, there are times when your body makes too much uric acid, or your kidneys can't eliminate enough of it. This can result in high levels of uric acid in your blood, a condition referred to as hyperuricemia. Elevated uric acid levels can lead to gout, a type of joint inflammation causing sudden, intense pain, redness, and swelling. It can also heighten the likelihood of kidney stones forming. If your uric acid levels are high, your doctor might suggest modifications to your diet and a way of life to help bring down these levels. In today's video, we'll talk about 12 foods that can assist in reducing your uric acid levels. Just a heads up, this video is for informational purposes only. If you feel unwell, consult your doctor. Number 1. Cherries. Cherries contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that can lower uric acid levels. Anthocyanins are natural pigments that give cherries their red, blue, and purple colors. These pigments function by preventing the creation of uric acid and aiding the body in eliminating uric acid from the bloodstream. A research paper in the Nutrition and Metabolism journal discovered that individuals who consumed 2 cups of cherries every day for 2 weeks experienced notably reduced uric acid levels compared to those who didn't consume cherries. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea contains substances called catechins, which act as antioxidants. These antioxidants have been proven to bring about various health advantages, like reducing uric acid levels in the body. Catechins work by stopping the action of an enzyme called xanthan oxidase, which is responsible for changing purines into uric acid. According to a study reported in the Nutrition and Metabolism journal, individuals who consumed green tea extract for 12 weeks experienced notably decreased uric acid levels compared to those who didn't have the extract. Another study mentioned in the Rheumatology journal revealed that people who drank green tea every day for 8 weeks had a 40% drop in their risk of getting gout. It's essential to understand that green tea isn't a cure for gout, but it can be beneficial in reducing uric acid levels and preventing gout attacks. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds provide protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Also, protein and fiber make you feel full, aiding in weight management. And losing weight will be beneficial to you if you have a high uric acid count. Furthermore, healthy fats reduce inflammation, a factor in gout. Certain nuts and seeds with low purines might help lower uric acid levels. These include almonds, Brazil nuts, cashews, hazelnuts, peanuts, pecans, pine nuts, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds. Remember, not all nuts and seeds are the same. High purine options like kidney beans, lima beans, and lentils should be avoided by those with gout. Found these tips helpful? If you do, please like and subscribe. You'll be the first to hear about more content like this. Thanks for learning with us. Number 4. Brown rice. Brown rice provides a good amount of fiber, which can assist in decreasing uric acid levels. The fiber binds to uric acid in the digestive system, preventing its absorption into the blood. Furthermore, antioxidants present in brown rice aid in diminishing inflammation. A research article in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism revealed that individuals who consumed brown rice over 12 weeks experienced notably lower uric acid levels compared to those who didn't include brown rice in their diet. Number 5. Water. Water is really important for staying healthy, and it can also assist in getting rid of uric acid from your body. How does it help? Water helps your body eliminate uric acid by increasing the amount of urine you produce. This helps to weaken the uric acid and makes it simpler for your kidneys to get rid of it from your body. Also, when you consume water, it thins your blood. This causes the uric acid in your blood to be less dense, and as a result, your kidneys can filter it out more effortlessly. Water also maintains the steady flow of your urine. This aids in a speedier removal of uric acid from your body. Lastly, water prevents dehydration. Dehydration can impede the optimal functioning of your kidneys, potentially causing higher levels of uric acid. The exact amount of water you should drink daily depends on different things, like how active you are, the weather where you live, and your overall health. However, a good guideline is to try to drink a large glass of water in the morning when you first wake up to start your day. Number 6. Banana. If you're dealing with gout caused by high uric acid levels, bananas can be an excellent fruit to lower the uric acid in your blood. This can also lower the chances of gout attacks. Bananas naturally have very little purine, a natural substance that turns into uric acid, which makes them a smart option for you. Moreover, bananas provide a good amount of potassium, which can counteract the impact of sodium on uric acid levels. Also, please remember that sodium has the potential to raise uric acid levels, so including potassium-rich foods in your diet can assist in bringing those levels down. Number 7. Apples. Apples provide dietary fiber, which is beneficial for reducing uric acid levels. The fiber attaches to uric acid in the stomach, stopping its absorption into the blood. This leads to decreased uric acid levels in the body. Furthermore, apples contain malic acid, an organic acid present in various fruits and vegetables. Research suggests that malic acid aids in dissolving uric acid crystals and increasing its elimination from the body, helping to lower uric acid levels. A study in nutrition and metabolism demonstrated that individuals who consumed apples daily for 12 weeks had notably lower uric acid levels compared to those who didn't include apples in their diet. Number 8. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits provide a valuable supply of vitamin C and citric acid. Both of these substances play a role in decreasing uric acid levels in the body. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant that assists in diminishing inflammation. As inflammation contributes to gout, the reduction of inflammation can aid in the decrease of uric acid levels. Additionally, vitamin C enhances the elimination of uric acid through the kidneys. Citric acid is a mild acid that contributes to making the urine more acidic. This acidity can be beneficial in preventing the creation of uric acid crystals within the joints. According to a study published in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism, individuals who consumed citrus fruits over 12 weeks exhibited notably lower uric acid levels compared to those who did not include citrus fruits in their diet. Number 9. Salmon. Salmon is a valuable food choice because it provides protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s, namely EPA and DHA, are recognized for their ability to counter inflammation. They do this by preventing the creation of substances that promote inflammation and by supporting the body in clearing uric acid from the bloodstream. Research shared in the Rheumatology Journal noted that individuals who included salmon in their diet for 12 weeks experienced a notable drop in uric acid levels compared to those who didn't consume salmon. Another study from the Nutrition and Metabolism Journal revealed that taking omega-3 supplements for 8 weeks lowered the risk of developing gout by 40%. Beyond its inflammation-fighting qualities, salmon is also rich in protein. This protein content can help with satiety, making you feel fuller and potentially aiding in weight management or weight loss. Effective weight management is an additional key factor in the effort to reduce uric acid levels. Number 10. Celery. Celery can lower uric acid levels in the body. It contains substances that can stop the production of uric acid and help the body get rid of it. One of these substances in celery that might help in reducing uric acid is called apigenin. Apigenin is a kind of flavonoid that has properties to fight inflammation and protect against damage. It works by stopping the body from making too much uric acid through an enzyme called xanthine oxidase. Another substance in celery that could be useful in lowering uric acid is 3N-butylphthalide, or BNP. BNP is what gives celery its recognizable smell. It has been seen to assist the body in getting rid of uric acid through the kidneys. A study in the journal Rheumatology found that people who drank celery juice for 12 weeks had notably lower uric acid levels compared to those who didn't. Another research in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism discovered that individuals who took capsules with celery extract for 8 weeks also experienced reduced uric acid levels. Number 11. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are not only great for the skin, but also for lowering the uric acid in the body. Cucumbers can assist in lowering the amount of uric acid in the body by increasing urine production. Cucumbers have a lot of water, which aids in getting rid of uric acid from the body through urine. Having antioxidants. Cucumbers possess antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene that can help lessen inflammation and kidney damage, ultimately leading to reduced uric acid levels. Impeding uric acid creation. Cucumbers include a substance named cucurbitacin E, which has been proven to disrupt the generation of uric acid within the body. Number 12. Bell peppers. Bell peppers contain a good amount of vitamin C, which has been proven to aid in lowering levels of uric acid. Uric acid is a byproduct formed in the body when it breaks down purines, which are present in various foods such as meat, fish, poultry, and shellfish. When uric acid builds up excessively in the bloodstream, it can create crystals in the joints, potentially causing gout. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant that contributes to diminishing inflammation. Since inflammation is connected to gout, reducing it can have a positive impact on decreasing uric acid levels. Moreover, vitamin C supports the increased elimination of uric acid through the kidneys. In addition to the mentioned foods, there are alternative methods to reduce uric acid levels. Ensure you drink enough fluids, particularly water. Stay away from alcoholic beverages. If you're overweight or obese, consider losing weight. Follow your doctor's recommendations regarding medication. Always keep in mind that while the tips and suggestions discussed in this video can be beneficial, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing any health concerns or have questions about your uric acid levels, be sure to consult your doctor for personalized guidance. Did you enjoy this video? If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To find more info and links about today's video, make sure to look at the description below. Thanks for watching.